fortification. It's all unique. The look Grand Canyon.
Yes.
Yeah. Come with me. You want Colorado? So now no people, the people feel, oh, Colorado. Come with me. See, this is a Colorado. So they feel both sides. You cover the both side rocks.
Yes.
Feel Colorado. Yeah. Who have a good eyes, good photographer, he stand here, get good photo. Sometimes only. But all people use the monument photography. Now this is the east direction. So the sunlight. Can you see from here? It's a beautiful Bhutanatha temple. Please come with me. Having the monkeys here, they're working. Yeah. Yes, Bhutanatha temple. Yes, now you make one shoot here. See this. With the house, village, with the hill station.
Wow.
Not village, it's a city.
City.
Yeah. This is the Bhutanatha temple, 7th century, behind the water. In front of the house also Bhutanatha temples. Then there is a, behind the water have a temple. After that right side the big rock. The rock, upper part of the rock, there is a two small temple.
Okay.
You travel in Pattadakal and Aihole, in Badami, all place we will see the experiment. Because Chalukya dynasty was the founder of temple architecture. It was 450 AD from Aihole. Second stage Badami, third stage in Pattadakal. Around 3 places approximately more than 200 assembled temples. Then 6 rock cut temple we will see here. So previous stage from Aihole 1600 years back. So previously like experiment model, afterward they built in big temples.
Okay, so they created a model over there and then they created this.
Yes.
Built this thing.
The rock is there. Behind the rock there's some statues. You saw? You been yesterday there?
Yeah, I've been yesterday, but I didn't notice that.
No, there is rocks. Then behind the rock you walk around their steps. There have left right hand side the wall have a rock have there is a Vishnu. After that you walk, there is a Koshtaraya temple.
Okay.
There is a one rock like fell down. There inside one Vishnu seated like a Padmasana, that type of statue. So that is sometimes they feel Vishnu, but it's not Vishnu. That is in the Mahavira. Jaina temple. Yeah, once again north hill. Yeah, the good light now is.
Yeah, I will take the photographs again.
Then one minute.
Yeah.
See the females, they wearing the neck have a jewelry. So that type of jewelry we saw the first cave. That is in, I told it's a book.
Okay, that's.
Yeah, that is, see. Yeah. You travel in Bangalore, Mysore, you can't see like this. So here only we will see this type of jewelry. You see the sari behind, there's a flowers. Already we saw the Badami first cave.
Yes.
Yeah? So like in the chauri dress also like this. The flowers. Yeah. Yes, you want to photograph?
I will take it later on. That's fine.
Yeah, so just 1 minute. Have a look. This is a video maraktar. This is a last cave. You know, dedicated Mahavira. So, Jain temple always out of the village or top of the hill. So this is the top of the hill. This is a Jain temple. It's very small one. As a rule of archaeology, which rock cut temple is the small, that is very oldest. So where you see the big one, rock cut temple, that is later edition.
Okay.
It means previously made Jain and Shiva. Afterward, third ruler Mangalesha was made to Vishnu rock cut temple. Around 38 years they took time, then they made. It means it was started 543 AD as a historian. 578 AD they finished.
They finished.
Yes. Come.
So smallest one is the oldest one.
Yes. Then here are the 3 statues. So Mahavira is a dedicated.
Mahavira.
Mahavira was the 24th prophet. So how you recognize Mahavira? Have a look here. Mahavira seated behind the beautiful pillow, lion pedestal, top of the head 3 steps. Then both chauri bearers. So belongs to Mahavira. She is a devotee of Mahavira. Then this is Parshvanatha, 23rd prophet, the Tirthankara, the Yakshini and Yaksha, 2 assisted, not in family members. Then this is one unique face. Have you there is Bahubali head. Bahubali.
Bahubali.
See, this is a keep smiling face. Long hairstyle, laughing face. Have you the beautiful eyebrows. This is we say Ajana Bahu. Ajana is a Sanskrit. Ajana means up to the knee. He have a hands.
Okay.
Then his followers. Ajana Bahu.
Ajana Bahu.
Yeah, this very oldest in Karnataka. Then this is Mahavira. This one. So seated in meditation. Then there is a pedestal. The layer pedestal belongs to Mahavira. That was the three steps. Then both sides handle the Mahaviras. Just one.
Okay.
The wall have the statues. These are all Mahaviras. Because we recognize top of that place steps belongs to
Yes, Mahavira.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
So thank you very much for this.